we have been working with model, how we can detect the drift, promote them to production. Now we are actually going to learn how we can build and from using MLflow how we can serve the model as an API. So to do that, it's fairly very simple, because all you need is you just need to know the path of the model, and then you can do the MLflow serving. Let me show you how you can do that. So if you remember, we have registered the model as smartphone return RF, and let's serve the production model. So this is how you can do that. Type MLflow serve -m, that is model, and then name of the model. So let's copy the name of the model, this model, and which version of it, let's use production, and we can specify port on which we want to run this API. And for now, let's use the same environment as the local one. MLflow model serve -m models -m model path alias, we are going to use production, and let's use the local environment. So this should spin up a API server, and it says at this IP and port it is listening. So what MLflow does, it has loaded the model, and then after that it has initialized the API. It's running on 5001 port. Now let's do one thing. We have created a client code which is going to hit this endpoint /invocation. This is where we do the predictions, and what we'll do for now, we're just going to read our dataset and get some records and make a post request to this endpoint and see if this API responds back with the 200 status code, or it returns any response. Let's see. We are in the folder. Let's run Python client. Yeah, so it returned the status 200. That means we were able to hit this API, and you can see the backend log. It got hit with the 200, and we got the response as the predictions. And see, we have sent the batch request here, so we were getting the response as well. So this is how you create an API from your MLflow production model, and this is just a simple client that invokes that API. Thank you.